Welcome back, everyone, to another episode. This time, I'm going to share with you guys exactly why I'm targeting longevity more than just fitness transformation, although it ties into one. Though this year, everything has changed for me. I spent decades helping people transform their bodies, get leaner, stronger, more confident. But recently, I started asking myself a different question. What's the point of looking great today if we're not doing the work to stay alive and healthy tomorrow? I'm 53 years old, and I realize I don't just want to live better. I want to live longer. And that shift changed everything. A week ago, my father, who is 85 years old, got diagnosed with Parkinson's disease. At that moment, it hit me like a freight train. Watching him go through that, it made me reflect deeply on longevity. I started to think way back about 30, 35 years ago when my dad was my age in his 50s, right around my age. The truth is, he wasn't doing anything to ensure his longevity. No strength training, no nutrition awareness, no lifestyle habits focused on brain or heart health. He just lived day to day, like so many people do. Unaware of the choices we make in our 40s and our 50s is the insurance policy for our 70s and our 80s. That realization changed me. It wasn't sadness, it was clarity. I knew that if I wanted to honor him and lead others with purpose, my message had to evolve. For over 20 years, I've coached transformations, dropping body fat, improving muscle health, getting abs, you name it. While that works and has changed lives, it always felt like only half of the equation. Because fitness in isolation is temporary, you can get shredded for summer. But what about the next 30 summers after that? When my father's health declined, I realized that longevity is not just about years, it's about quality of life. Can you move well, think clearly, recover quickly, be present with your family in your 70s and 80s? That's what true transformation is. So I made the pivot from fitness transformation coach to longevity transformation coach, from chasing aesthetics to building systems that extend lifespan and health span. Longevity isn't a supplement. It's not a trend. It's a framework built on movement, muscle preservation, hormonal balance, metabolic health, and stress resilience. The same tools that make you look good when applied correctly make you live longer. This isn't a rebrand, it's a rebirth because I've been doing this all along. I just never branded it as longevity. But now it's time. The world knows what this mission truly stands for. My mission is simple. Help men and women over 40 not just transform their bodies, but extend their lives. If I can help someone stay strong enough to play with their grandkids or avoid the health struggles my father's facing now, that's legacy. That's why I do this. This is not about looking better at 53. It's about living longer and better. Every workout, every meal, every habit, every mindful choice, it all compounds towards longevity. So, if you've been chasing weight loss, muscle gain, or the perfect body, it's time to chase something greater, a longer, healthier, more vibrant life. That's the next evolution of transformation. That's the mission behind Shredded University. And this is just the beginning. If this message resonates within you, subscribe to the channel because we're diving deep into fitness, hormones, recovery, brain health, and the real science of longevity. My name is John Franco, and this is your longevity transformation.